Hello friends, this is a session on disk scheduling algorithms. The purpose of disk scheduling algorithm is to select a disk request from a queue of IO requests and decide the schedule when this request will be processed. You can look into the architecture of the hard disk. You can find we do have a tracks, we do have sectors, and we do have clusters. Your data is stored on these tracks and request is made to read these tracks. The addresses of the tracks are not in sequence, so those are in a random nature, due to which the pointer over here or stylus over here goes address to address, then goes to next address, then goes to next address. This is called seeking of the pointer. The pointer is actually seeking for various addresses of the tracks given by the operating system to read the data stored in the hard disk. So for unit number 6, we do have a numerical on disk scheduling algorithm called as first come first serve. Before going to algorithm, we will first understand important definitions. First is seek time. It is the average time taken by the head to move from one track to another track. From one track to another, the addresses of the tracks are given by the operating system. Then rotational latency. It is the additional time waiting for the disk to rotate the desired sector to the disk head. Disk head is going to change its position from one sector to another sector. The third point is transfer time. It is a time taken to transfer the data in between the IO. And using these three times, we can calculate the disk access time as seek time plus rotational latency plus transfer time. When we are going to solve numerical based on FCFS, what we need to do? We will be given with an array of disk track numbers and initial head position. These will be two given data, and we have to find the number of seek operations or seek count using the first come first serve disk scheduling algorithm. So let us see one example over here. What is given in the example? We do have a disk with 1000 cylinders. Cylinders are nothing but your tracks. We are asked to calculate total seek time using FCFS. Either time will be given or a seek count will be asked. Assume the last request received was at track 345, means your pointer is right now at track number 345 and the head is moving towards track 0. The queue is given, which is in not order, not in ascending, not in descending order. Okay, so we are going to find a total seek count. This same numerical can be asked in another fashion. Once again, 1000 cylinders, find the number of tracks, and disk arm must move to satisfy all the requests in the disk queue, and your pointer is moving towards track 0 and Q is given in the first FIFO order. That means we need to solve this numerical using FCFS disk scheduling algorithm. The sequence of the sectors, sequence of the tracks are given in the same order. Now let us go and let us try to find the solution for this numerical. It's very easy. Let us see. Now let me stretch a little. We are going to solve this numerical. First step, what do we have? First step, arrange all given tracks in ascending order. So what we will do, we will draw a line over here try to have it in a horizontal way, and we will write down all the track numbers in ascending order. What is necessary? We are going to write down all the tracks in the ascending order. Let us write those track numbers. If you go to the numerical, what we have? We do have track number 345, we do have 123, 874, 692, 475, 105, 376. So we will start with 105, then next will be 123, next track number will be 345, where our pointer is right now present, then 376, then we do have 475, then we do have 692, and at the last 874. Let us count how many tracks we have noted down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many were given in the numerical? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the current position 7. Let us now try to draw the seeking pattern. Our pointer is at track number 345, and now we will follow the Q in the given sequence. Okay, so from 345 it is going towards 123. So what we are going to write down over here? The seek count is equal to 345 minus 123 plus, from 123 it is going towards 874. So we will write down 874 minus 123. Always higher track number minus lower track number. Then from 874 we are going to 692. So higher track number minus lower track number. From 692 we are going towards 475. So plus 692 minus 475 plus 475 to 105. So 475 minus 105 plus, from 105 we are going to 376. So higher track minus lower track. Now when we are going to do this calculation, we will have the answer. The answer comes out to be 2013. This is our seek count. This is the answer for the numerical. I guess the numerical was easy and straightforward. This kind of numerical can be asked for about 5 to 6 marks. A similar kind of numerical is given over here, and another numerical is given over here. Let us read the numerical statement. Suppose that the disk drive has 5,000 cylinders. Okay, fine. Number from 0 to 4,999. The drive is currently serving a request at cylinder 143. Means our pointer is at position 143, and the previous was at cylinder 125. Actually, this data is redundant. We do not require this data for FCFS. Not require this. Okay. The queue of the pending request in FIFO order. FIFO means we are going to solve the numerical using FCFS distribution algorithm, and you are given with the queue. So what you are going to do? you are going to write down everything in the ascending order first. So what we are going to write down? First we are going to write all track numbers in ascending order. So our track starts with 86, then we do have 130, the pointer is at cylinder number 143. From 143 now it is going to 86. From 86 it is going towards 1470. From 1470 it is going towards 913. 913 to 1774. From 1774 to 948. Then from 948 to 1509. 1022. Then 1750. Then we do have 130, and your stylus will end at this position. When you are going to solve the numerical in examination, it is always better to draw this kind of directional or guiding lines so that you won't do any mistake while drawing the seeking pattern in the examination. And now you can do the calculations and you will have the answer. Let us try to do the calculation. So now we can write down the seek count is equal to 143 minus 86, then 1470 minus 86, then from 1470 to 913, plus 1470 to 913, plus from 913 it is going to 1774. So 1774 minus 913, plus from 1774 it is going to 948. 948 plus from 948 it is going towards 1509. 1509 minus 948. Always the higher track number minus lower track number. Then 1509 to 1022. 1509 higher track number minus 1022 lower track number, plus 1022 1750. 1750 minus 1022, plus 1750 to 130. 1750 minus 130. Answer is 7081. Again, the numerical is easy, just the variation will be in cylinder or track numbers. Thank you.